Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a digital first AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to register an account on the digital first AI, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address digital first.ai and hit on enter, and after that you'll be directed to the home page of digital first AI. So let's wait for it. And when you're on the home page, at the top right corner of this page, you can see guys there's the try for free button, whereas a create a free account button available for us. You can click on any of those to go through the registration process of the digital first AI. So let's do that. Let's click on the create free account, and over here guys you can see the steps you will be going through while signing up for the digital first AI over here. And with that being said, let's enter our credentials guys, your email address, and of that enter your password with which you want to create or register or log into your account on the future. And after that guys, do make sure to add some capital letters, some special characters like the dollar sign or the exclamation sign or the hash sign, many of those available on your 1234 at the top of your keyboard. And after that make sure to add in some numbers so it will be hard to decrypt. And with that being said guys and being done, you can also register an account on digital first AI with the Google or the Facebook or the Apple buttons available over here. If you click on any of these buttons available over here, a login page to your respective platforms will open, and if you log into your any of these accounts, you'll be signed up and signed into your digital first AI on the next step. And with that being said guys, after entering your credentials on the get started tab, click on the create account. But before that, do make sure to click on the I agree to digital first AI's privacy policy and click on the create account button to go to the setup process of your account, where you will be required to set up things like you want to use it for a business, a skill, or yourself, or any type of your businesses. With that being done, you will be required to select a plan with which you want to run the digital first AI. But your free trial will finish in 3 days, so you do make sure to refer it, or you can decide after the 3 days. So with that being said guys, uh, after completing these steps, you will have created an account on the digital first AI. And there guys, this is how you create an account on the digital first AI online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.